Hi, my name is Manasvi. I am co-founder of Godai Wellness.
Hi, my name is Kuldeep and I'm co-founder of Godai Wellness. We both have founded Godai Wellness. It's an amazing brand. What is it,
Yeah, so
Manasvi?
basically, uh, we'll try to give you a very quick brief about Godai, right? So Godai is it's our brainchild. It's something that we have felt in our lives कि हमें चाहिए था एक point पे, and we did not have that with us. So Godai is basically your AI therapy buddy. It's somebody जिस पे आप भरोसा कर सकते हो, रिलाई कर सकते हो, स्पेसिफिकली उस टाइम पे जब आपको लगता है कि यू डू नॉट हैव एनी अदर ऑप्शन अवेलेबल फॉर यू. एंड हम किसी भी तरीके से किसी भी मेडिकल न्यूएंसेस में नहीं घुस रहे. वी आर नॉट ट्राइंग टू बाईपास थेरेपी, वी आर नॉट ट्राइंग टू बाईपास मेडिकेशन, वी आर नॉट ट्राइंग टू डायग्नोस यू मेडिकली. वी रियली अर्ज कि उसके लिए आप प्रोफेशनल हेल्प लो. बट बेसिकली वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू इज वी आर ट्राइंग टू गिव यू अ सॉफ्ट स्पेस इन बिटवीन. जब आपको लगता है कि मैं अभी उस हालत में नहीं हूँ दैट आई शुड बी डायग्नोज, मेरे को ऐसा नहीं लगता कि मैं इतनी सीवियर कंडीशन में हूँ, बट मेरी फीलिंग्स वैलिड है एंड देयर इज नो रूम फॉर माय फीलिंग्स, राइट? दैट इज वेयर गुताई कम्स इनटू प्ले. इट गिव्स यू दैट सेफ स्पॉट कि ठीक है, जब तक आप थेरेपिस्ट या मेडिकेशन के लिए रेडी नहीं हो, लेट मी गिव यू अ हग, लेट मी बी देयर फॉर यू. दैट इज द लव दैट वी we really want Godai to give out to people in general.
So we have launched our Godai Wellness. It's a one platform for all your mental wellness needs and requirements. You can log in there, you can sign up there. We have already launched it. We were initially planning to basically have lots and lots of features in it, but then we thought like we should at least launch our basic features and let you start using it, and we keep building amazing features for you guys.
एब्सोल्युटली. आई थिंक कुलदीप और मेरी डे वन से एक अप्रोच बहुत कंसिस्टेंट रही है और कांस्टेंट रही है, एंड दैट हैज बीन दैट वी वांटेड टू बिल्ड अ प्रोडक्ट जो एआई, ऑब्वियसली एआई फ्रेंडली था, बट दैट प्रोडक्ट शुड बी समथिंग जो लोगों को असिस्ट कर पाए. वी वांटेड गोदाई to be a very quiet and a friendly assistant to you. It should not lead you in any way. आपकी चीज़ें, आपकी थेरेपी, आपका वेलनेस आपकी पेस पर चलना इम्पॉर्टेंट है. गोदाई इन नो वे ट्राइज टू रश यू इनटू इट. गोदाई डजंट वांट यू टू फील कि अच्छा ठीक है, मतलब नाउ दिस इज हाउ आई शुगर कोट थिंग्स फॉर यू. हम बहुत रिफ्लेक्टिव मिरर रखना चाह रहे हैं, बट एट द सेम टाइम वी वांट टू पुश यू वेरी जेंटली. वी वांट टू मेक इट अ पॉइंट कि आपको किसी भी तरीके से हम आपको ऐसा ना पुश करें कि आपको अपनी लिमिट्स पुश करने के लिए वी कांट फोर्स यू फॉर दैट. वी डोंट वांट टू फोर्स यू फॉर दैट.
Manasvi, can you very quickly tell couple of features जो अभी जो हम लॉन्च कर चुके हैं, which people can start using?
Okay, so I think the first feature which we absolutely love and I think you might also like is our Vera. So Vera is our AI chatbot. Vera comes from a very beautiful term called Vairag, जो महादेव का दूसरा नाम है. We really feel that our AI needs to have certain set of emotions, metaphorically if not literally. And I think Vera is a chatbot जो 24/7 assistance देता है आपको. वो आपको आपकी पेस पर ठीक होने का एक स्पेस देता है, ठीक होने की एक विंडो देता है. एंड Vera is just there to listen. Vera is not there to judge. Vera is not there to push, not there to motivate. It is just there to listen and help you as a friend, as an agony aunt. That is what I like to call it. Second feature that we have, which I really like, and I think Kuldeep would also like. It's also, I think, it's also favorite feature. That is an SOS feature. So SOS feature में what we are doing is we are basically trying कि हम आपको उस मूवमेंट में शायद इंटरवीन करके किसी तरीके से हेल्प दे पाएँ जब आपको ऐसा लगता है कि nobody is seeing you, nobody is noticing you, nobody is there for you. एंड वो फीचर बेसिकली आपके 3 इमरजेंसी कॉन्टैक्ट्स हम लेते हैं, और उन 3 इमरजेंसी कॉन्टैक्ट्स को हम इन द मोमेंट्स ऑफ डिस्ट्रेस आपकी तरफ से नोटिफिकेशन भेजते हैं दैट दे शुड चेक अप ऑन यू. आई फील बिकॉज आई हैव ऑल्सो बीन इन टू दैट मेंटल स्टेट जब मुझे लगता था कि आई वॉन्टेड टू टॉक टू समबडी बट आई डिड नॉट हैव द मीन्स, आई डिड नॉट नो हाउ टू टॉक टू पीपल. तो वहाँ पर ना ये फीचर थोड़ा हैंडी हो जाता है, बिकॉज जब आपको नहीं पता कि आपको लोगों से बात करने की ज़रूरत है बट आपको है, Vera intervenes, Godai intervenes. वो कहता नहीं आपको ज़रूरत है. Let us reach out to those people. I think बाकी features Kuldeep you can also explain.
I think इसके अलावा we also have journal feature जो हमने लॉन्च कर दिया। तो आपको अगर डेली आपके दिमाग में कुछ थॉट्स आते हैं, whatever you are feeling about, so you can just have a log of that, and it's like a place where you keep sharing something to your AI, जो उन चीज़ों को यूज़ करके आपको फर्दर हेल्प करता रहेगा to understand more about yourself, to understand what you are feeling, and just keep listening.
I think you really like the journal feature, right?
Yes, I love it
Can you give it 2 cents कि तुम्हें इतना पसंद क्यों है journal feature?
because it lets me reflect back on how things have been changing for me, how things have been progressing for me. So I really love the part about it.
I think it lets you talk to your own self, right?
Yes.
It lets you talk to
And
yourself.
especially I'll tell you, like, journal, when you see yourself journaling, you also see how you have progressed so far.
Absolutely.
And you really love the part.
Absolutely.
You like the progress. Everybody likes the progress.
Absolutely.
It's like gym.
I agree.
It's like a mental
Yeah. Absolutely. I think I like that term, mental gym. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. What other features do we have?
So I think these are the major features we have launched so far, and we'll keep rolling out further features for you, which they are going to help you a lot.
Absolutely.
And they are going to be very important for you. Also, we are going to soon launch our applications also for both iOS as well as Android.
Yes, absolutely. I think there's a lot in store for us right now. I think the reason we are just trying to make a very impromptu podcast for you guys, or probably a very impromptu, introduction video for you guys, is also because we really want to connect with you. We do not want to be just another startup which talks about, scaling, which talks about profit, which talks about margin, exits. We want to be somebody जिनकी वजह से कुछ इम्पैक्ट आ पाए, राइट? हम दोनों का एक कॉज, एक बहुत कॉमन कॉज था, दैट इज द रीजन वी डिसाइडेड टू वर्क टुगेदर, वाज कि वी वांटेड टू डू समथिंग इन द मेंटल वेलनेस फेयर, बिकॉज वी फील इसमें पैसा हो या ना हो, बट दिस इज समथिंग विच वी नीड एज यूजर्स, एज कंज्यूमर्स. दिस इज समथिंग जो हमें लगा हमारे पास होनी चाहिए थी, एंड वी जस्ट वांटेड टू हेल्प मोर एंड मोर पीपल, ताकि उनको ये फीलिंग ना आए कि काश ये चीज मिल जाती.
If somebody is feeling lonely at 2 a.m, we want them to be available an AI therapist for them.
Godai
Wellness is something which will be available for you, to talk to you, to listen to you when nobody else is there.
Absolutely. I think even at 2 a.m, you would want somebody to know ki we are there for them.
You would have some things which you can't share with probably you won't be able to find somebody whom you can share some things. They can be private. They can be some really close thoughts which you can't even share to your friends, not even your mother, father, family members, other members. We are here to listen to that.
Absolutely.
Our AI model is here to listen to that.
And I think the most beautiful part about AI is that how AI creates this judgment-free space for you, मतलब कोई टेंशन नहीं है, कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं है कि यार मैंने इसको बता दिया है, किसी और को जाके तो नहीं बता देगा, and there's no fear of being looked down.
Completely safe.
Absolutely. मतलब nobody is going to know about it जब तक आप ना बताना चाहो. And the best part is Vera also offers you the option to delete your chat. तो अगर
delete everything, not just chat, delete everything. You have full control over everything.
So imagine you are venting out about somebody,
nobody else,
right? About something, and randomly Vera आपके बोलने पर आपकी पूरी conversation को delete कर रही है. How cool is that?
Amazing.
I think I absolutely, मतलब हमने इस प्रोडक्ट को ऐसे बनाया जैसे हम अपना प्रोडक्ट जैसे हम चाहते थे, जैसे हमें स्पेस चाहिए थी, हमने वो बनाई है. So we are like first users of Vera, I believe, and now you are also going to be the users of Vera.
So now we want all of you guys to go to godaivellness.com, use our product, and please send your feedback to us via our website, or you can send an email to team@godaivellness.com.
Absolutely.
Or you can just simply reach out to us on LinkedIn, Twitter, or any platform wherever we are present.
Absolutely. मतलब any feedback, any positive, constructive criticism.
Vera listens to you. We want to listen to you.
Absolutely. So yes, I think that's
all.
That's all for today.
Thank you very much everyone for listening to us.
Absolutely. We'll be coming back very soon because we have very exciting series planned up for our upcoming podcast, and I hope you guys stay tuned. Thanks. Bye.
Bye bye.